So in substituting in the formula, y minus y1, what is y1? y1 value is 3, so y minus y1. What is y2 minus y1? Just see the values there, 1 minus 3. So I am going to write that here, equal to x minus x1, which means x minus x1 value, the value is here, so 1 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1. So substituting the values first. Now I have simplified this. This is y minus 3 by minus 2 equal to x minus 1 by 1. If you cross multiply, what happens? 1 will go with this and becomes y minus 3. Minus 2 comes here, becomes minus 2x plus 2. Right or not? Now arranging the terms in order. 2x plus y, 2x plus y. Bringing 2 to other side becomes minus 2. So already minus 3 is there. So minus 5 is equal to 0. What is this actually? This is nothing but equation of the straight line which passes through the point a comma b. For example, if this is a and if this is b, the straight line equation is this. Yes or no? Now what I have to prove? I want to prove the 3 points are collinear. So what I'm going to do is, since I have found out the equation of the straight line, now I am going to substitute this third point in this equation. Suppose if this equation tallies, then I will say the point C also lies in the same straight line. Understand the concept? First we found out the equation of the straight line. Now we are going to substitute the third point in this equation. If the equation gets tallied, we will say that the points are collinear. So what our next step is? Substitute 1 by 2 comma 4, that is the third point, 1 by 2 comma 4. Suppose if this is equation number 1, in first equation, just see this, 2 into 1 by 2, in place of x I am going to substitute 1 by 2 plus 4 minus 5. I am going to check whether the answer is 0 or not. 2 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 4 minus 5, which is equal to 0. Since the answer gets tallied here, I will say therefore the given points are collinear. So the given points are collinear. So now we will go for the third method. What is the third method? Any other method. So third, any other method means I am going to use, just I will give a heading like this, any other method. But what method we are going to use is area of triangle formula. So we know that area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x1 y1. So this is nothing but area of a triangle formula. But if 3 points lie on a same straight line, we cannot draw a triangle using 3 points. Yes or no? We cannot draw a triangle using these 3 points. So if I calculate the area of the triangle, the answer should become 0. Then I will say the 3 points are collinear. That is the concept here. So I am going to substitute here 1 by 2. What is x1 y1? The first point 1 comma 3. So I am going to write 1 3. x2 y2. Second point 2 1. Third point x3 y3. Value is 1 by 2 4. x1 y1 again 1 3. You know very well this method, particularly you have studied in your 10th standard also. I am going to expand this. You know how to expand 1 by 2 of. First we will multiply downwards, right or not? I am putting arrow marks like this. 1 into 1, opening a open bracket here. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 1 by 2 into 3, 3 by 2. So this is the answer for the downward multiplication, and we have to use minus symbol in between. Now I will write the upward multiplication here. 3 2s are 6. 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 4 into 1 plus 4. We will try to simplify this. This is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is 8 plus 1? 9. just cross multiply. 2 into 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21 by 2. In between minus symbol is there. What is 6 plus 4? 10. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 minus 21 by 2. What will be the answer? 0. 0 into 1 by 2, that is also equal to 0. Therefore, the points are collinear. Therefore, the points are collinear. So we have proved the points are collinear in 3 ways. What are they? First one is slope concept method. Second one, equation of straight line method. And the final one, any other method they said, we used area of triangle formula method. So we found out area of triangle, but answer becomes 0, which means we cannot form a triangle. Therefore, the 3 points must be in a straight line. This is the concept. Okay, next we will see few theoretical parts. Then we will move on for the problem side. Out of that, the first one is angle between two lines. The meaning is very clear. If two lines intersect, definitely it will create an angle. How to find that angle? A formula was given to us. The formula is given by theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So what is this actually? This is the formula to calculate angle between two straight lines. Theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. In this formula, what is m1? m1 is nothing but slope of the first straight line. What is m2? m2 is nothing but slope of the second straight line. m1 is nothing but slope of the first straight line. m2 is nothing but slope of the second straight line. Tan inverse you know very well. So theta is nothing but angle between the two lines, right? Okay. The next thing, condition for parallel lines. Condition for parallel lines. So condition for parallel lines. You know very well what is meant by parallel line. Best example is a railway track. So what is the condition for two lines to be parallel? That is what we are going to see here. Even this you know already in your 10th standard, but we will recall it. m1 is equal to m2. Again the same meaning. m1 means slope of the first straight line. m2 is nothing but the other line's slope. If the slopes are equal, then we will say the lines are parallel. If the slopes are equal, then we will say the lines are parallel. Similarly, condition for perpendicular lines. If this symbol is used, what is the meaning? Perpendicular. Condition for perpendicular lines. And the condition is given by m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That is, the product of the slopes should be equal to minus 1. If this is so, then we will say the two lines are perpendicular. But perpendicular means what? The angle created by them is 90 degree. That is the meaning. So this is the condition for what? Perpendicular lines. This is the condition for parallel lines. This is the formula for finding angle between two lines. Yes or no? So these are the formulas that you have to remember. You have to learn also. The next concept is, suppose if these are the two lines, straight lines, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is one line, one straight line, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is another straight line. Then, if this condition is satisfied, we already have seen conditions for parallel, right? m1 is equal to m2 if it is parallel, m1, m2 is equal to minus 1 if it is perpendicular. But if this is the case, a1, b, if we don't know the slope of the straight line, but we know the equation of two straight lines, then if a1, b2 and a2, b1, just see where what are the coefficients I am showing it. a1, b2, a2, b1, if they are equal, then I can say that these two lines are parallel. Similarly, if a1, a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0, which means multiplication of these two plus multiplication of these two. And if the answer becomes 0, then I can say the lines are perpendicular. So since based on these concepts, we will see a few more problems. Question number 18. Show that the lines, this is one straight line, this is another straight line, are, what is this? This symbol means parallel. We need to prove that these two lines are parallel lines. What is the condition that we have in our hand for parallel lines? If the slopes are equal, then we will say the lines are parallel. So first I will take the first equation, 3x plus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. What is slope formula? Slope m1 is equal to, when an equation was given, the formula is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So this is the formula for what? Slope of straight line when an equation is given. What is x? Coefficient of x means here it is 3, right? Coefficient of y means here it is 2 with minus symbol. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is nothing but what? m1. Minus 3 by 2 is nothing but m1. Similarly, I am going to take the second equation. This is 12x plus second equation now I am writing, and we will try to find the slope of second straight line. What is slope formula? Slope, now we will write the symbol as m2 to just represent slope of second line. This is slope of first line. Again the same formula, minus coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 12. So minus 12 divided by coefficient of y, it is 8. So we can cancel this in 4 table. So it becomes minus 3 divided by 2. Yes or no? So since, see the values here, they are equal. So what I am going to write now, since m1 is equal to m2, the lines are parallel. So here is the problem. Here is the problem. First one. Problem number 19. Find the equation of line. Again, this means parallel. Find the equation of line parallel to this straight line and having x intercept 3. So we need to find a straight line which is parallel to this. Also, another clue which was given to us is the x-intercept value is 3. So this is the clue which is given to us. We need to find the equation of straight line which is parallel to this line. So how to start with this? The line parallel to 5x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0 is any line which is parallel to this will be of the form 5x minus 4y. Don't think, sir, you are writing the same equation. No, I am not writing the same equation. Parallel lines definitely will be same in x and y terms. It will differ only in the constant term. So plus 3, I am going to take that out and put another number called k equal to 0. So parallel lines definitely will be of this form only. X coefficient will not change, y coefficient will not change, but constant only changes. So I can easily say, if this line is given, the parallel line will be of the format, these two terms will be the same, only the constant differs. So this is what we need to find. If we found out what is k value, then we can easily say the answer. Just we don't know k, that's all. We have to find the k value, for which we have to use this clue. X intercept is 3. So what I am going to, since intercept was given to us, I am going to convert this equation in intercept form. Can you just remember what is meant by intercept form of straight line equation? 7 formats we have learnt, I told you. What are the 7 formats? 2 points form, slope point form, slope intercept form, intercept form. Out of that, the intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That is called intercept form of a equation of straight line. So I am going to convert this in intercepts form. How to convert? Just listen. 5x minus 4y. I am just going to bring this constant term to other side and writing that as minus k, and after that I am going to divide each and every term with minus k. So I am going to divide it 5x by minus k minus 4y by minus k. Here minus k will become 1. 5x by minus k minus 4y by minus k equal to 1. What we are doing? Dividing all the terms by minus k. In the next step, I will write like this: x divided by minus k by 5. Yes or no? Just bringing this to denominator. So it becomes 5 will become 1 by 5. So minus k by 5. And here minus and minus will become plus. So putting plus here. Y divided by k by 4. So just bringing 5 and 4 to the denominator and writing. Now in the right hand side we are having 1. Now clearly this is of the format x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where this is called x intercept. This is called what? Y intercept. This is x intercept. This is y intercept. What is x intercept value given? 3. So what is 3? Minus k by 5. Just try to understand. We are writing this equation in intercept form. The first one represents x intercept, that is the term present below x, called x intercept. X intercept value is given in the question. So I am going to write, therefore minus k by 5 should be equal to 3. Why it is so? Because it is given x intercept equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. From this I can easily say k value is minus 15. 15 and minus will go minus 15. I said only k value we need to find. Now we found out k value also. So from where we are going to get the equation of straight line. This is the equation of straight line, first equation. Therefore from equation 1, equation of straight line is 5x minus 4y plus k is there. Instead of k we found out a value, so minus 15 equal to 0 is the final answer. So this is the equation of straight line. Problem number 20. Find the equation of line. And throughout these problems we are just trying to find the equations of straight line. Here also find the equation of straight line passing through the point. The line passes through 1 comma minus 1. This is the point given where the line passes through. And the line is also parallel to x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the condition given? The line passes through one point and the line is also parallel to this line. So even in the previous problem we saw how to write the equation of a parallel line. Yes or no? Here also we are going to start with the same thing. Now equation of a line. If I put like this, I told this is parallel. Equation of line parallel to x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 is, now can you tell by yourself what is the answer? Equation of line parallel to this is what? What is the just single term where I have to change? X will remain as it is, 3y also will remain as it is. There will be no change in x term or y term, but only one place change will occur, that is in constant term. So I should take the constant away and replace a new constant plus k equal to 0. So line which is parallel to this definitely will be of this form by changing the constant. What else the clue was given to us? Now this is the line which we want, but only the value of k we need to find. For that they have given the line passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. That is what I am going to write by taking this as equation number 1. This line passes through which point? 1 comma minus 1. What does it mean? I can replace x by 1 and y by minus 1 in this above equation. Therefore 1 gives 1. This becomes minus 3y because in place of y I am replacing minus 1. So plus k equal to 0. If I simplify these two, minus 2 will come. Taking to other side, k becomes 2. So I said k value is the only thing we need to find. K value is 2. Therefore, 1 gives the equation of Linus from equation 1. Equation of Linus, this is equation 1. X plus 3y, what is k value? Plus 2 equal to 0 is the answer. How we did this? First we wrote any line parallel to this will be of this format which passes through this point. So substituting this in this equation, we are finding out the value of k. So k value we found out as 2. So after finding k value, just we are substituting in the equation. Substituting in the equation in this first equation and writing the answer. Problem number 21. If you compare problem number 20 and 21, you will understand only one difference is there. Here also we need to find the equation of line passing through the same point 1 comma minus 1. The line passes through this point and perpendicular to this line. There they have, in the previous sum they have given parallel. Here the condition is perpendicular. Instead of parallel, perpendicular condition was given. So how to start this sum? Now first I am going to write the given equation 3x plus 4y. By writing I am going to bring the constant to left side and put equal to 0. So just a simple alternate arrangement we are doing here. Plus 6 is brought to other side and becomes minus 6. So this is the given equation. Now the 10th standard concept I am going to apply. Any line perpendicular to any line which is perpendicular to the above line, that is 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0, is any line which is perpendicular to this line will be of the format. You know, I think in 10th standard. If you don't know also, I am going to explain it now. Just listen carefully. First we need to interchange the coefficients of these two, which means 4 should come as the coefficient of x, 3 should come as coefficient of y. That is the first change that we have to make, which means I am going to write 4x, 4 is taken to x, 3 should be taken to y, so 3y. Now what is the symbol present for y? Plus, we need to change that symbol, that is the second procedure, so minus. What is the first procedure? Interchange the coefficients. What is the second procedure? Change the symbol for y, that is here plus symbol is there, I have changed that to minus. Third procedure, change the constant also, so plus k equal to 0. So this is how we will write the equation for perpendicular line. First we have written parallel line, means we need not change anything, just we change constant, that is enough. For perpendicular lines we have to do 3 procedures. What is the first one? Interchange the coefficients of x and y, that is the first step. Second step, change the symbol for y. Third step, change the constant. So 3 steps we have used here. So what is this? This is a line which is perpendicular to this. So actually we need this line only we want to find out as k value. What we will do, this line passes through, we will give this as equation number 1 and we will write this line passes through which point? 1 comma minus 1. Therefore first equation becomes, first equation means what? This. What we have to do? Substitute x as 1 and replace y by minus 1. What will happen? 4 plus 3 plus k equal to 0, or otherwise k is equal to minus 7. 7 comes here, getting to other side. X value, in place of x I have substituted 1, so it becomes 4. In place of y I have substituted minus 1, so it becomes plus 3 plus k. So k value is minus 7. What we need to do now? Substitute k value in the first equation. So from equation number 1, the answer is, that is the equation of Linus. Equation of the Linus. What is the answer? See the first equation, 4x minus 3y. In place of k, I should use minus 7 equal to 0. So which is the answer for problem number 21. So complete all these things in your classwork properly. That is what I am insisting from the beginning onwards. Complete your classwork. That is the main thing that is required from you. Whatever we are completing up to date, you have to complete your classwork. There should not be any pending work there, here and there. If there is any pending work, complete it quickly and keep your classworks ready. When you are entering into the school, you should be with proper classwork what we have completed. And also, if a homework was given to you, you should say do it and send it to me immediately. Any doubts, you can text to me, right? Even you can call and ask your doubts to me. So complete your classworks up to this problem. Thank you, children.